That is right, guys. It is install day on the truck. We have the new Pulsar LT. I've posted about it. Once again, if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. We're going to be doing an unboxing and an install today. Should be super simple. Now, a huge shout out to Range Technologies for getting this sent to us. We reached out to them. We wanted to get this installed. I don't know very many people, if any, who have this. I know there's a couple, but we're going to be doing a full review on it today, unboxing, getting it installed. So now that we have everything open, we have our module, we have our wiring harness, the instruction booklet, and a couple zip ties along with some Velcro. This is a super easy install. You can do it right in your house, right in your backyard. So for installation, all you need is a basic little flat-headed screwdriver. I'll show you how to disconnect everything so you don't break any of the small clips. We're going to basically plug and play, and like I mentioned, it does not VIN lock like a Super Chips or another programmer. So if you ever sell the truck, if you ever change your mind and you don't want to run it, it can simply be unplugged and shipped out. You can sell it, you can do whatever you want. So that is huge to me. You don't have to pay anything to sell it if for any reason you get rid of your truck. So let's hop under the hood and get it installed. Alrighty guys, under the hood, driver side of the vehicle, right in front of your airbox is your main wiring harness here, and that's what we're going to tap into. Two basic steps to get this unplugged. First, pulling up your red tab, and secondly, we're going to be taking this entire sleeve, depressing on the corner, and then pulling it up. And as we pull up, you're going to notice this rotate. So super simple. Just be very careful that you don't break any of the tabs. Take your time, don't rush. Simple as that. 2 seconds, red tab, pull the sleeve, make sure you're pushing in on the corner here, and then it's going to pull right off. We have the Pulsar module itself plugged into the harness. We're simply going to install these. We're going to mount this to the top of the airbox. Now you're going to be listening for those clicks. When you slide down your main sleeve, you're going to notice the rotation. And then once everything clicks into place, you're going to push your red tab back down. We're going to slide and do the exact same thing on the top. As we slide it down, it's going to click into place. Everything clicks. Tab down. Peel the Velcro back. Right on top of the airbox. And just like that, guys, it is done. It's installed. Took about 10 minutes, if that. Otherwise, let's hop in the truck and see what this can actually do. So the first thing we want to do is keep our foot off the brake. Now, once our foot is off the brake, we're going to push and hold our start-stop button for about 5 seconds until the light turns green. So we have the green light. Now the key to this system is your cruise control settings. We're going to be using the cruise cancel. We're going to be using the set and reset button to scroll through menus, and then the cruise cancel to activate whatever setting we wanted. So there's 3 things that we are really interested in with this truck. The first thing is going to be your tire size. Second thing is the auto start and stop. Third thing is your dynamic fuel management. And let's start with the tire size. Now, detailed manual is going to give you a lot of in-depth if you have a lot more questions, but we're going to run through the main 3 that we want to adjust, that I feel like most everybody will adjust. And then if you want further detail on some of the other features, you can refer to your booklet when you order the product. So the first thing we're going to do in order to access all the different options is we're going to push and hold our cruise cancel. The speedometer will go to 140. Now we know we're in the menu. So now we're going to go to option 3 using our reset and set buttons. Now we're on option 3, and to access that menu, all we're going to do is hit the cruise cancel. It cycles to 140. So first we're going to be entering the stock tire size, and then after that we're going to be entering the aftermarket size. This truck, I believe, is a 30.5 is the stock tire sizes. I was trying to go back and look because we do not have those wheels and tires anymore. So we are going to scroll this down to 30. We do the whole number first, then we're going to accept it. Now we're going to use the decimal. So we're going to go up because it's about a 30.5 size tire. These are stock tire sizes. So now we have the stock tire input, and we will put the aftermarket, which we have 35-inch tires on this truck. We are going to stay at 0 because it's a straight 35-inch tire, no decimal. We get our sweep, and that is all you have to do. So we're going to get this truck out on the road. We'll use our GPS, and we will see if it actually corrected the tire size. If we mess something up, we'll know pretty soon, and we can go back in here and adjust whatever we need to. Now, the next biggest thing, the most annoying thing that happens on this truck is your auto start and stop. To get back in the menu, we're going to push and hold your cruise cancel. We get our sweep to 140, so now we're back in that selection menu. We're going to number 6, and to enter that mode, we're just going to push once, your cancel. Now your 0 is auto start and stop currently, which it's working in the truck right now, and this will forever turn your auto start and stop off. We're going to select the 10. Once we accepted it, push your cruise cancel, and it's done. Simple as that. Auto stop off. It will be off forever. Now the truck is ready to start, but we have one more to go. And the third thing, like I mentioned, is going to be dynamic fuel management, and that is going to be number 7. So we're going to enter the menu again, push and hold our cancel. We get our sweep. Now we're in the menu. We're going to select number 7. We're going to click the cancel button to enter that menu. Just like on our auto start and stop, we have a 0 and a 10. So 0, it is activated. The truck is working as it should. We want to run 8 cylinders all the time, so we're going to select the number 10. So now we're going to, once again, just like we always do, hit the cancel button. It goes back down to 0. You get your sweep. Everything is set up. We've done tire size, we have done auto start and stop, and we have done dynamic fuel management. So I'll throw up all the functions up here on the screen. Everything is done with the cruise control off, the truck off. There is one function that you can do with the truck on. We are going to be doing it at a later time when we do some performance testing with this truck, and that feature is similar to a pedal commander. It is going to increase the responsiveness on the gas pedal in the truck. Now the truck does have to be on to do that. Once again, we're going to be doing that in another video. We're going to be testing out our trailer, our sport mode, and increasing that throttle response, and we will see how this truck acts, what kind of times we get, and such and so forth. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. Quick, easy, in-depth review of the 3 main things that I think are most important out of this package. You go on their website and you look at different items that they have, but this is a more advanced, so you can get that tire size correction, you can get the auto start and stop, and you can get the dynamic fuel management disabled. So I highly recommend it. All their information is down below. Their Instagram's down below. Reach out if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns. Otherwise, we're going to leave you here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.